Okay guys, bike's finally done. Alright, so starting from the front here, we have our thumb switch. Alright, thumb switch here, key switch, flashlight, and then we have our phone holder here with the battery management app up right now. So it gives you all the details of the batteries, and then if it loads up, there you go. All the 20 cells in series. Have our phone charger and this short cable that's type C, and then yeah, two handle brakes at the front. These are disc brakes for the front and the back. Okay, so the next thing, we have our battery pack from Battery Hookup. All right, so this is a 20S 2P configuration, so 20 cells in series and 2 in parallel, so we have 40 total up here. Next is the Cyclone motor. So right now this is giving me roughly 6 kilowatts of output power. We have 2 chain tensioners, just to keep the chain on the pedal crank at high speeds, because when this is spinning fast, the chains kind of expand, so these like limit the chains expansion to keep it on track. So these work very well, and all the links to the parts for the whole bike will be in the description below. So yeah, this pedal crank is from Cyclone as well. This is a freewheel, so you can pedal and use the motor at the same time. We have this really good kickstand as well. It's a 2-leg and then it springs up, so it's very secure, and it mounts to the frame there. At the back we have a single cog. This is a 23 tooth, and it's also a conversion kit to go from a cassette to a single cog. And then we have a chain tensioner here at the back to keep the chain tight and to stop it from coming off, so that works well. And then back here's the controller from Cyclone. No markings on this controller, so I don't really know what kind of controller it is, but the most I've gotten out of it was 77 amps. That's where like it usually peaks out around. And just a basic Canadian Tire helmet there, and yeah, that is the bike. So yeah, it's a fun project. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.